new egg poacher makes poaching eggs easy and foolproof. To use, first lightly grease the silicone cup. Bring a pot of water to a simmering boil with a splash of vinegar or lemon juice. The poacher easily and securely hooks onto the rim. Leave the poacher in the water for 30 seconds to heat. Then, drop the egg directly into the poacher. The cup holes circulate water around the egg to gently poach it. The back holes easily drain excess water away. Within minutes, your poached egg is ready to eat. The egg poacher is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The Queasy Pro Egg Poacher, a useful tool for any kitchen.
Peeling hard-boiled eggs is such a hassle. It takes forever and makes such a mess. Now make hard-boiled eggs the fast and easy way. Introducing Egglets, the new silicone sensation that lets you cook hard-boiled eggs without the shell. Just crack open the egg into the Egglets pod, twist on the top, and boil on your stovetop. In minutes, pop them out of the pod for perfect hard-boiled eggs. No hassle, no mess. The secret is the thermodynamic non-stick silicone material that allows the egg to cook just like it would inside the shell. No broken egg whites and no peeling. Now that's appealing. Make delicious deviled eggs, tasty egg salad. Make a mouth-watering chef salad without ever peeling an egg. Crack, boil, and pop with Egglets for perfect hard-boiled eggs every time. And Egglets is great for soft-boiled eggs too.
Whether you're making simple poached eggs on toast or special eggs Benedict, you will be the poaching master with this trouble-free egg poaching pan. Poaching eggs in a regular pan is difficult, but with this pan, it's so easy. This fashion-forward platinum-colored pan features non-stick inside and out for exceptional food release and quick cleanup. It's made of heavy-gauge aluminum for great heat conduction so water heats quickly. To poach eggs, simply lower the eggs into the cups as they sit over simmering water and poach to your favorite consistency. And cleanup couldn't be easier. This special pan is 100% dishwasher safe. This Farberware Specialties 8-inch egg poacher takes the guesswork out of poaching eggs every